Good morning, good afternoon, good night. Welcome to another Healing Hikes.
What are you doing, Brandon?
Where are we? Kenneth Hahn. I think it's Kenneth Hahn Regional Park. I don't know why they put regional, but we're here, man. I haven't been here in a long time, and we are here. And it is green. Woo! A lot of black mustard over there, or yellow mustard. Mustard on the beat, ho. But yeah, man, let's get out here and get it. I'll show you. We're gonna get on this water real quick. Blessings. Over here, we got some history. Over here, the oil fields over here, man. Woo, we still getting the oil. Look at those things. Do their thing. You can see a little bit of fog over there. Woo. Look at this nice little shrew right here. Oh, it's out of there, it's gone. So nice, man. Healing hikes. Let them know, man, I'm a big dog out here. I'm almost at 9,000 subscribers. When I hit that big 10K, I'm gonna have a hike party. Have a nice hike party. Yeah. Put it in the comments where I should have had a hike party at. Should I had a hike party at Runyon Canyon? I don't really like Runyon like that, but it's my backyard. Not really though, because I don't live around there. Get into the grass. Yes. Look at this one. We got an albino geese. The elusive albino geese. It's a gray goose. Actually, the gray goose. It's the gray goose right here, yo. Oh, why isn't it doing this? Oh my God. This one, we got the elusive gray goose. And then that one right there has like his neck hanging. Yeah, his neck hanging, yo. The gray goose, man. This one, insane. He's showing me his dominance. He got that one leg up. I don't know what type of geese this one is, but this one looked like a sheep. I don't know why I got the sheep eye. Sheesh.
If they had another killer on that jump.
He got scared, right?
You're sunbathing.
I know these little black and white ducks are not ducks.
Which one?
The one that just hopped in the water. There's one right there.
Well, if you hopped in the water, he's a duck.
Well, geese get in the water too. That one. So nice out here. Kenneth Hahn. I used to come here with the mountain bike. Started out just hiking. Then I started biking it. And now I'm back hiking it. Look at this good water though.
Don't. Quick. She's warning you.
A huge. It's wild. Got the two red tails in the air. Whoo. This will get your glutes. Gluteus maximus in shape. Chunky ass bee. That thing thick. Ooh. Thicky. I love thickies. Definitely feel wiser being here. It's definitely been over a year of me being here. So yeah, let's get it. Ooh, it's eating. Ooh, it's eating. Ooh, we made it. Made it to the top. Yes. All right, now we did it. Kenneth Hahn, baby. Healing hikes at Kenneth Hahn. Pay attention, Coco. This is stop being. It's MLK, man. It's a great man here.
Yeah, that's cool.
But damn, they did not seal it. You know what I mean? Like it's getting beat up by the weather.
Yeah, you can barely read it.
Look at this city. I love this city. I can't lie. I love it. You like that? Hey. What up? How you doing? Good morning, man. Are you catching, what are you catching? Butterflies?
Grasshoppers.
Grasshoppers. Nice, man.
Because they got lizards.
Yeah, nah, it's amazing, man. Free food, right? Have a nice one, brother.
I used to do that when I was little.
That's what's up, dog. I love this. That's you did?
Yeah,
Oh. Swift. A monitor? Green bearded dragon. That's what's up.
Super cool.
Found it. What did you find? Oh, my picture? Such a good picture, dog. That's all I can say. These oil fields, man. So this is the black mustard I was talking about, and it's an invasive species. I mean, kind of supposed to destroy it, but it's just too.
Smells like thyme.
Do it. Yeah, I do need another director to do it. Those are so nice. I wish the wind would blow. Be my wind real quick, Coco.
Look, there's a little.
Just a little bit, right? It's breezy. Mm-hmm.
What is it? A parking garage?
I think it's like offices. Oh, look at this. I mean, it might be still inside of there.
Thanks, 17.
Killing it, right? Probably so. I think
every like, I had to take asthma pump like once at least.
Why they do this? Why do they get on the tree like that? He made a little bubble.
Like that one's like. Has like a little slime.
Yeah, right? Thanks for coming with me. Thanks for vibing. You know what time it is. We're gonna get out here, go get some food. It's been another healing hike. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, man, we on the road to 10K. Blessings. Healing hikes.